Welcome to the Ngobo Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Ngobo Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye 2. Nedbank Cup, my brother, are you good?
Ke yona ya rona.
Ke bona bo green mo.
Ya ke yona ya rona ke Mamelodi Sundowns.
Nedbank.
Ke Nedbank ke yona ya rona.
Yeah.
Ke Nedbank Cup. Ba re tšhelete latlhile da. Yeah, for the supporters.
Yeah.
Also the account on Nedbank you can enter as many times as you like. Okonogara something.
Eitada.
But anyways, what an interesting game. Le lora ngero it na goal level but the way I saw it 3-0 half time. Those boys 2 quick goals. They gave our players a fright. They gave our players a fright.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's not a problem. I think the boys regrouped because they scored the 4th goal so that they can be settled.
Exactly,
so the boys lost momentum from Sibanye, but they played very good. They've got nothing to lose. They were showing their talent. But I know in the history of Sundowns Nedbank Cup, we never lost to Minos. It was going to be the first time if we did. They come back from Minos beating Sundowns. It is an achievement. But scoring 2 goals for Bona, it's an achievement also. Because you scored against the biggest team in Africa, not only South Africa, in Africa.
The number one goalkeeper in Africa.
One goalkeeper in Africa. He won many awards. He went to the FIFA awards. So, you know, he was a nominee there. So if you score against Ronald Williams, when you sleep at night, those boys who scored those 2 goals, they were going to sleep peacefully. So that's history in the making. He'll remember when he retires that, you know, I was in the amateur ranks, I scored against Ronald Williams.
Exactly.
It's in the archives. He must save that video for himself. You understand? Even the team must also save that video for themselves. They did well. They did better than other teams that play Sundowns in this Nedbank come from the lower divisions. So they've got nothing to lose. All I can say is congrats to Mamelodi Sundowns to the next stage, and then next time, let's not take them lightly, these young boys. Even if second round we get another young team, let's not take them lightly. Let's try our best to put more effort. I think the coach must also, I know we want to rotate and give players a chance. Start with those tried and tested. They finish the game off, then you put those guys so that they can enjoy the game. So that's what I want, you understand? Because at the end of the day, I was telling Steve now, you know, we failed this Mamelodi Sundowns that the season starts because we were supposed to go to MTN 8 final and win it. We didn't do because we were supposed to do one better from the previous coach. We didn't do that. Nedbank Cup, we are again supposed to do one better from the previous coach because he went to the final, he didn't win it, he came second best. This time we must come number 1. So the coach must know the mandate that you must win this one because the previous coach went to the final. Also the league, I was telling Steve, also the league, you must have 1 lose, less draws, have 73 points. It means that you have exceeded that record of the previous coach. That's what I want. You know, I'll be happy. You can play dirty football. I want the points in the bag. I want you to win the other games from the Nedbank Cup because we're through the last 16. So it's anybody's game. Last 16, whoever they give us, we must make sure we win. Then we go to the last 8. That's where now Kiarona is for the taking, so that we can reach at least the semi-final and try our best to reach the final, so that we can win it. This time we can't always win the league only. We want to show we dominate, so that the coach must also believe in himself that, you know what, in the quarterfinal of the Champions League he must push again and say, no, I can reach the semi-final and I can do one better. So we believe in the coach because the team and the management believed in the coach when they hired him. So as supporters, we're gonna support him. We know we have our favorites coaches that went away, but we need to support this one who's here. You know, grudges against him. He needs to prove himself. You understand? We supporters, we support even the players. Doesn't matter the player is not high quality, but at Sundowns we sign quality. So all the players are the best for me. I don't criticize. You understand? You can criticize Sales, but Sales is good for assists. Also today he had an assist. I think he also scored. So it's Mamelodi Sundowns. You know us. We don't give up. I believe this one is for us to take. So let's hope we meet Kaizer Chiefs in the final. I'm wishing that.
Before you go to Kaizer Chiefs, your players are getting red cards. We are not used to that. Your captain got a red card. Obas got two red cards in 2 months. What's your take on that? I mean, I think even against Magesi, there were cards there that were flying there. What's your take on that?
It's dirty football. Maybe the coach because he's good in defensive. So maybe Obas also discipline. You can't just let a player off the ball. Even the player provokes you, he's a young player. You need to be more matured. But it's fine. the team needs to talk about it. Too many red cards, too many yellow cards, but we'll get it right. So it's not Sundowns that I know that has so many red cards and yellow cards. But last season we had less red cards and yellow cards. So this season is bad. But we'll work through it. I know the management will work through it and see how best can we avoid that, because it's going to cost us at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, Obas, we needed him against Pirate. I don't know if he will be available, but if he will be available, that's a plus. But
at least you're having 2 games.
2 games.
He'll
be available, but I think he needs to change his attitude. So we'll get it right.
Beautiful.
The discipline team will get it right.
Beautiful. All the best against Kaizer Chiefs in the final.
Yeah, in the final. Kaizer Chiefs, I want it. The Chiefs must reach the final.
Each other. Thanks, man.